Hello and welcome back. Today I will be doing what a lot of us are familiar with. While for some of us this is the first time, so if you're joining me for the first time, welcome. I am Rox-T Styles. I'll be making a tutorial on how to DIY a 13 by 4 lace frontal for ventilation. I have a brown thread that goes well with my lace, a measuring tape, a scissors, a concealer, a small needle and my brush. And my lace matches well with my skin tone as well. So let's go right into it. The stretchy part of this lace will be by the side of the ear, while the non-stretchy part will be at the front. I will as well cut off every excess lace so I don't have an unequal length. For the front part, I'm measuring 13 inches. So I will as well just leave it at 13 and half. I'll be taking this down with my concealer. For the back part, I'm measuring 4 inches. So I'll also be leaving it at 4.5 as well for any rough work. So I'm doing away with the lace that I won't be working with. Something just happened right now. Guys, the concealer is on the white material and not on the lace. I feel like I've suffered enough. My God. Okay, okay. I'll just stick this down again with my eyebrow pencil. Guys, you don't need to laugh at my pencil. I took the pencil that fits my size, you know. I don't like things that are bigger than me. Okay, the pencil sticked well on the lace. So I'll just go ahead to cut off the side of the ears. So each part that I cut is just close to the line that I drew on the lace. Yeah, just that way. And I am just going to use the same eyebrow pencil to draw this so it looks like a 13 by 4 lace frontal before I cut off the excess lace. This line is just going to help me cut this lace very well. And while I'm cutting this, I'm not cutting this close to the line. I'm just leaving a little space behind because I'm going to be folding down this lace before I sew them down. And I make sure while I'm folding it down, I fold it to the point where I drew that line, if that makes any sense. I'm folding this part down twice to the point where I drew that line, and I'll be sewing this down with my thread and needle. I'm also making use of a big needle, not a small needle, but you can play around with what you have. You can use either a small needle or a big needle. It will all serve you well. just so a lot of us don't get this wrong and ventilate all the lace in front. Okay, you see this point right here where we have this black line drawn with our eyebrow pencil. That's where we'll be stopping our ventilation in front. Please don't go any further. If you go any further, let it just be that you're leaving a lot of space, maybe like where you want to do leave some space for baby hairs. This is it for this video, guys. I don't intend making it that long. Thanks for watching up until now. Do stick around with me by subscribing to my channel and following me up on Instagram at Rox-T Styles, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.